Hello, flower. I want to show you materials, just a very short presentation for you. First of all, thank you so much for your interesting order. This dress, we can say it's my biggest project, and I really love this all designs here. I hope you will enjoy to work with all materials. I really tried to do very detailed instructions, video tutorials. Also, I made schemes, and they are all just perfect for work because I tested them in practice a few times. So be sure that you can create each element. Also watch videos because elements are not so simple, but in videos you will see all nuances, all details. Also, don't worry to use this thread, because if you will use this thread first time, it can be like a little bit slippery for you. You need to have some practice. Start from flower. I will show you what flower I have. What I mean, we have a flower, and it's better to start from this motif. In this way you will start to feel this thread very good. It's this one, flower talisman, 6 petals, lesson number 3. Here you can practice how to use this thread. So start from this element. After, you can work with another motifs. We have beautiful twigs like this, yes. So and also small motifs, motif elara also like this. So, and I want to tell you about threads, how to use them. We have here 5 different colors. So this 1, 2, 3, 4 colors just join together all the time, 3 threads. Like I told you, you can place them to the box, or it can be some big plastic plate like this. Also, we have in our stores, different stores, holders, wooden holders. Also, you can try to use them. Some of my students are using them, so it's also a nice option. And I want to tell you about this color, golden beige. It's a little bit thinner. That's why I have prepared for you 4 cones. For your work, you need to join 4 cones together. All the time you can use this crochet hook. When we join 3 threads, this crochet hook. When we join 4 cones, also the same. Because by joining different numbers of threads, we are creating the same thickness of our working thread. So for this all, you will use only 1 crochet hook. Next, I also have for you this bonus. It's really huge work. It has 7 parts. It's fabric pattern. It's like a base on which we should create composition of motifs. And this is the main thing, because only by using high quality fabric pattern like a base, you will get perfect dress that will fit to your figure. Really fantastic. And we have here the main part. Yes, I will show you. Here we have pictures. We have the main part for dress. Next we have sleeves. You wanted longer sleeves, so I made them. 2 different, yes. This is the main part. You have the main part, you have 2 fabric patterns for sleeves, and also here we have very interesting technique how to create this skirt with the same lace everywhere. Yes, that's why we are using such additional 4 parts of fabric, and I made them for you, 4 parts, the same, also with such 2 bright lines. Just they help us to create composition. You have everything here, so 7 parts in total. Everything is ready. Besides this, I decided to print out all this magazine for you. It's very convenient to use this magazine. We have here main things like coloring schemes, composition, joinings, edgings, everything you will have here. You order it only threads, but I am sending to you also magazine, printed schemes, also fabric pattern totally ready for work. Even more, I have for my DIY crochet yarn kit that I have prepared samples. That's why I took from there 3 elements, and I am sending to you motif, this twig Felicity, twig Avery, and also really awesome motif. This one is very beautiful. It's motif Ophelia. We should make 2 motifs like this for waistline. So you will have samples, and for you it will be much more easier to work. I used Italian viscose 3 threads journey together in ivory color. So you will get a lot of bonuses from me. So I hope you will like it. If you have any questions during your work, just send me a question. I will gladly make for you video answer. I will try to help you. I will do my best because I really want to see your results. Also, you need to mix colors. Think about this. You will have composition. Let's see here. We have composition of motifs. Yes, you can. Right now you can see totally where each element we have. So let's see the composition. For example, where we have it, sleeves we have. Let's talk about this. We have total composition, full composition, but let's talk about this. If you decide, for example, to mix colors just in use this all colors everywhere, so you can see where you have each element and try to mix colors like you want. Yes, but if you want, for example, go from the most light to the most intensive colors, so you will know that in this area you can create more lighter elements here, such medium colors, and here the most intensive. Yes, just depends what design you want to create. And by using such schemes with composition, you can clearly see what elements we are using in each area, just at the upper part, at the middle part, at the bottom, like this. Okay. So I think that's all, and I will send you package right now and give you the tracking number. That's all, and I wish you beautiful results. I hope you will make it with big inspiration. Just work step by step. It's really a huge project. I was making this course for during 2 years because I was making schemes, videos, and all instructions, pictures, everything. So it's really a huge work, but you have all detailed information. Step by step you can make it, and I am sure you will achieve really beautiful result. Once again, thank you so much for your order. In such difficult times in Ukraine, you really helped me, you supported our team, so we are very grateful to you. And yes, thank you so much for watching this video presentation. See you very soon. Bye bye for now.